We'll guide you through how to collaborate on YouTube. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many creators want to collaborate with other channels on YouTube to grow their audience and share content more effectively. However, some users are not familiar with the collaboration feature inside YouTube Studio. This guide helps them learn how to invite collaborators, share access, and manage video partnerships easily. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser is ready, click Search in your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top of the window so you can type a website address. Next, type studio.youtube.com in the search bar. Then, press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the page. Wait a moment while the system directs you to the YouTube Studio login page. When the login screen appears, enter your email address in the provided field, making sure the email is correct and connected to your YouTube account. After entering your email address, click Next to continue the login process. Enter your password in the provided field carefully to avoid typing mistakes. After entering your password, click Next to log in. Once you are successfully logged in, click Videos to open the list of videos available on your channel. Next, click the pencil icon on the video you want to collaborate on to open the Video Details page. On the Video Details page, scroll down slightly until you see additional settings and options. Then, click Show More to expand the Advanced Settings section. After the section expands, continue scrolling until you find the collaboration options. Then, click Invite a collaborator to begin the process of adding another channel to the video. Next, type the name of the channel you want to collaborate with into the search field. Once it appears, click on that channel to select it as the collaborator. After selecting the channel, enable the option labeled Allow Analytics Viewing so the collaborator can see the performance data for the video. Then, click Create Link to generate an invitation link for the collaboration. Click the copy link to share it with the channel you are collaborating with.